Hi bag makers, welcome back to my channel. My name's Melissa and I'm with Sew Yours. Boy, am I excited to share with you my latest sewing pattern, the tag along bag. Isn't this bag super adorable? As you can see here, we've got two different versions of the tag along. I wrote the pattern to include style A, which is a water bottle pocket version, and style B, which is a purse style version. So the tag along bag was basically born as a water bottle pocket bag. So I recently rejoined the gym and I needed a bag that would carry my water bottle at my hip or in my hand, nice and handy. I also wanted to carry a phone with me and have quick access to it, a small towel, some keys, my sunglasses, and a few other small items. I couldn't find exactly what I needed. I knew that I could draft up a pattern that would be perfect for that, and that is how the tag along was born. So I've been carrying this particular bag for the last 2 months, and it's exactly what I wanted. I love this bag, so it's perfect for the gym. I carry mine without a crossbody strap, but you can certainly add a crossbody strap to the back right here and carry yours wherever you go. I like to carry it by the grab and go handle because I just go ahead and place it on the floor next to each station, whether it's the free weights, the cable machines. I set it up on the treadmill. I actually nest the water bottle right in the cup holder there on the treadmill, and the bag sits perfectly with my water bottle right there. So this has been working out great for me. You can also carry this bag to, say, theme parks, to festivals, for hiking, anywhere you want to keep your water bottle with you, hands-free. This is the bag that you're going to want to make. So let me show you another version of style A. Or I should say, yeah, another version. So this one was the second one that I made. And you can see that it can carry a rather large water bottle. This is like a hydro flask right here. The pocket is adjustable. So you can see it's a very large pocket. And you can see there's some cutouts right here. This allows for the bag to accommodate different size water bottles. The other benefit of this pocket right here is that it allows for airflow. So if your water bottle has any condensation on it, just go ahead and take your water bottle out, leave the pocket open just like this, and it's gonna dry out in no time. So that's a great feature of the bag. We've got a cord lock right here, which can cinch down and make the pocket adjustable depending on the size of your water bottle. You could also go ahead and add your coffee cup. So if you want to keep your coffee cup handy, just like this one right here, and you just tighten it right up, you can keep your coffee cup with you. Or you can even keep a tumbler with a straw in it, like I have right here. So it's a very versatile bag for whatever type of drink that you're carrying with you. I have hardware kits available for style A and style B on my website. Style A does include the cord lock, so you can have that. My cord locks are also available for purchase separately in 6 different finishes. Let me show you here how I have the strap connectors on the style A here. So let me put the water bottle pocket in, a water bottle back in the pocket. It's a little tongue-tied right there. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add the crossbody strap to myself. And as you can see right here, it sits right against my hip, no problem. And it basically counterbalances the weight of the water bottle against my hip right here, so that it's not going to go ahead and tip over and fall out. So that's a great feature of style A. So it's a little bit different than style B, which I'll show you in a moment. Inside of the back exterior panel right here, we do have a simple small slip pocket, just big enough for some cash or your credit cards or your ID. You can make that bigger or smaller. You can also add a zippered pocket if you want as well to your lining, completely up to you. But I kept it real simple inside the bag. This is a binding finish bag, so I put this at an intermediate skill level. If you've made a bag with binding, you can certainly make this bag, no problem at all. And this bag comes together really, really fast. You can literally cut out the paper pattern and have it made basically in 4 hours. Super simple to make this bag. So let's go ahead and talk about style B now, which is the purse style. So this is the purse style that I've been carrying, I'd say, for the last month. I came up with this style just before I sent the pattern over to the testers, because I figured that not everybody wanted a purse with a water bottle in it. And I knew that I could make this super duper cute just by changing out the front panel right here. So I just opted to go ahead and do a flap closure. We've got a little zipper pocket right here. That's great for some change, chapstick, any other small items. Inside here, you can also keep your cell phone if you want in the slip pocket. The back is the exact same as style A with a large slip pocket that fits any size cell phone right there. I changed out the side right here as far as the D-rings go. So this one is going to balance itself, no problem at all, just like that, since we don't need to counterbalance the water bottle. So that's why I made it like that. Now, a couple of testers did go ahead and make their version of style A with the D-rings here on the side. Completely up to you. You can go ahead and do that. I show you in the pattern how to make both of those. So that's an option for you. So that's pretty much it for style A or style B. This one takes a little bit longer to sew up. So I would say I would put it at 4 to 6 hours to make this one. And that's just because there's a little bit more involved in making this flap closure right here. But again, it's a quick sew. It's in a super duper adorable bag. And I think you're gonna love it. Here is the version that I made in the sewing tutorial. Let me pull off the little paper on my label there. Okay. So this is the version that I made in the sewing tutorial. So I show you exactly how to make the style. I also do a brief rundown on how to make style A as well. And Brandy Jackson of Beans, Bags, and Handicrafts doesn't participate in making style A in a sewing tutorial as well come January of 2023. So you can look for that video if you want a more in-depth version of style A. But I will be showing you how to make this particular one in the sewing tutorial. This one is my daughter's bag. She picked out all of the fabrics and the hardware herself. We also chose to add a tassel here to the side. These tassel caps are now available on my website as well in I think it's 6 different finishes. I have them. So that is another option for you. You can add a little tassel and dress it up a little bit more. Let's talk about woven interfacing, stabilizers, and fabrics. So as always, with all my patterns, all cotton pieces need to have some woven interfacing on them. I now sell Sew Woven fusible interfacing on my website, so you can get that there. Or you can go ahead and get any other woven interfacing that you like to use and adhere that to all of your cotton pieces. If you are working with vinyl, you do not need any woven interfacing. You do need stabilizer for this bag. So for the front and the back panels, I recommend Decaville Light. You can also use a couple layers of Sew Fuse Plus if you'd like. You could do a couple of layers of fusible fleece. I would stay clear of fusible foam. That's going to make it a little bit more challenging to turn the bag right side out. So I probably wouldn't use that. Fabrics. Any combination of fabrics that you're comfortable with working with. Quilt cotton, cork, vinyl, any of those that you want. If you're working on a domestic machine, you may not want to use vinyl and or waterproof canvas. It could get a little bit bulky along the sides of style B when you're sewing, so keep that in mind. You guys know your sewing machines. Another thing is if you've got like arthritic hands, you may not want to do all vinyl and waterproof canvas for your lining because this bag is a little bit more trickier to turn right side out, especially if you're using those fabrics. Let's see here. I think I've covered everything. I will go ahead and add at the end of this video some photographs of the testers bags that they have made, so you have some inspiration to make your tag along. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and I'll leave a link to the sewing tutorial in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching.